wished you could use the ChatGPT voice mode as your iPhone's assistant instead of Siri? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to set ChatGPT as your iPhone's action button. Now let's get started. To set your iPhone action button to activate ChatGPT voice mode, first open your settings. Scroll down and select Action Button. Swipe sideways until you get to Controls. Then tap Choose a Control. Scroll down to the ChatGPT section and select Open ChatGPT Voice. Once you've set this up, holding down the Action button on your iPhone will automatically open ChatGPT voice mode, which you can use in place of the Siri voice assistant. That's all it takes to set your iPhone's Action button to ChatGPT voice mode. Did you know you can now make group chats with ChatGPT? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.